¿Cuánto doy? 10 minutos.
Wow.
Drop the bar right here on
Oh my Shane.
You're fine. That's cool, yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, look, he's doing this.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, boy.
Blue. Oh, it's Christmas colors. Oh my god.
Yeah, he's still flying there. Power on that one. Yeah, so there's one side big.
What's this? What's this?
I like that one.
Shiny. Whoa. Impressive. It's still going.
Over there you can see going from the pier. It's still going at it.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Found him a lounge chair.
Oh yeah. Yeah, because Grandpa told the whole family, he goes, watch out over us and everything, you know. Control them all.
See it? Look at that, one after another one. Whoa, crap.
You know?
Look at that.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Probably call you when I go and buy the house for Sarah.
Look at this one.
Probably not even a graphic.
Buzz?
They're kind of shaped like
Probably was.
planets.
Yeah, you're right.
I wish you would have saw him grabbing candy today. It was so cool. And when he was in that little Shriner's car,
This one is a
Bam Bam.
$60,000 so far. Nice.
Whoa.
Yeah, one's over at the beach.
Woo!
One's over at the beach.